It's a big moment, stakes are high. World Food Championship golden ticket, we're giving out 2 today.
The live fire has just kicked off. We got our contestants starting to come over, and actually they've set up their stations, you're preparing. There's some amazing cuts of meat. This is going to be a quick one, right? So the live fire is all about kind of wood cooking on either charcoal or on wood. We're going to look at what the contestants are making. Hey everyone, my name is Joe. I'm very excited to be here competing at the World Barbecue Competition here in Dubai. Very excited to be here competing with my friends. Today I will be serving tira de asado, which is Argentinian style cooked short ribs over open fire and open flame. It is a fun and unique way of serving short ribs as opposed to the typical braising and smoking short ribs. It brings out all the flavor of the ribs. When you cook it over fire, you get that flavor of the wood coming from the wood and the flavor of the charcoal, which is the best of the two worlds. I wish everyone the best, and may the best man win. Thank you, Cucina, for organizing this competition. They never fail to bring out the best in us, to bring out all the best chefs in Dubai.
So tonight I'm going to be cooking inside skirt. I have some chicken strips down there. All of that with my personal mix of Cajun spices, because I'm going to take the judges to Louisiana. I also have some sweet potato chips that are, reheating there. And there's going to be as a side makshu, which is a sweet corn stew. It's a super exciting event. I mean, it's very nice to see all those known and friendly faces. We hope that all of us are going to wow the judges tonight.
Hi everyone, it's Alex from AC Smokeyard, doing something different today. I'm doing American bison, definitely one of the hardest meats to cook. Looking into a little bit of my US heritage and my Latin American heritage. So I'm serving the bison grilled over fire, charcoal, then seared over a griddle, all over fire. Then I'm serving on a tortilla with a chimichurri and a side of scallions. Really happy to be here today amongst a lot of friends, families coming over today, and it's a fun event. Do I think I'm gonna win? It's we all want to win. I personally compete to win, and let's see where it takes us.
Well, hi everyone, we are here in the competition for the best barbecue pit master in Cucina del Sul. So I'm really happy to be here as a judge.
My name is Claudio Cardoso. I'm the chef at the Celeste. So I look after the Celeste Hotel in Dubai. I like the fact that it's very laid back and it's very like a friendly environment, but I'm sure it's going to be fairly competitive.
Everything smells delicious. The place looks really cool. The vibe seems super chill. Really looking forward to see what the guys have cooked.
The meats are ready to go.
Guys, the live fire has just kicked off. The contestants are ready. Joe is about to serve. He's got 10 minutes. He has 10 minutes to start and to actually serve the judges. After that, that's it. Next contestant goes on. It's a very unique and fun way of cooking short ribs. It is different than serving them and braising them. I find it very fun and exciting. It brings out the flavor of the beef, especially when you get the kiss of smoke from the oak wood and the charcoal flavor.
Homage to both my American heritage, born and raised in Maryland. So what you have here, it's sort of a marriage of the two cultures. It's bison ribeye, grass-fed from the mountains, and I've cooked it over what I call the fire commander. The main plate has some charred The idea is that you eat everything. Everything is eaten together.
What you have in front of you is Le Vieux Carré, which is the name of the historical center of New Orleans. We have inside skirts, strips and chicken breast strips with the homemade Cajun spices, and it's served with a side of makshu. So makshu is a sweet corn stew. To fluff a little bit the taste, I use the homemade dry-aged beef tallow to grill it inside, and that's it. Enjoy.
Well, so very happy to be here once again. As expected, like food was really good. Most of them chose different cuts, so it gives a lot of variety and a lot of flavor profiles as well. And overall, like they did very well. Very happy to be here, and thank you.
A lot of really tasty stuff. Just to echo what everyone else is saying, I think, yeah, a big part of it is finding a narrative, especially coming in to representing the UAE, going to the US, going basically like on the turf of barbecue.
Overall, everyone did a really good job. I mean, there is a few that I would rate more, I think, for the choice of meat. And I think it was a really good competition.
In first place in the World Food Championship Barbecue Live Fire Competition. Guys, we have just wrapped up the live fire competition, because the problem is, like, when you taste, you just fall in love with the dish. The flavors are amazing, but it all comes down to the details. And the judges, you know, like, they're all the top-notch professional.
Execution, taste, it all plays a role. So, mabruk.